Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
US spot Bitcoin ETFs extended a tentative rebound with fresh $145 million inflow on Monday, adding to signs that institutional demand may be stabilizing following weeks of sustained selling as BTC hovered around $70,000. Alphabet is set to price a rare 100-year bond, a memo from the lead manager showed, as artificial intelligence-driven spending sparks a surge in borrowing at US tech giants. The company is selling £5.5 billion worth of sterling bonds in a 5-part deal. US retail sales were unexpectedly unchanged in December as households scaled back spending on motor vehicles and other big-ticket items, potentially setting consumer spending and the economy on a slower growth path heading into the new year.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Get ready for a packed economic calendar this week, with a range of data releases expected to capture market attention. From major economic indicators to less impactful reports, each piece of data may contribute to market sentiment and strategy adjustments. As these releases unfold, maintaining a clear strategy and watching market responses can provide an edge. Volatility might offer both risks and rewarding opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.